I love it, I love it, I love it. I swear that I love it, I swear that I love it. Not to be cocky, but
welcome back to my channel. It's Tati Lashai here. Don't mind me right now. I'm looking a little greasy and you know, just got off of work. But yeah, what I came on here to do is basically I've been noticing my scalp has been really dry. My hair is not like, you know, like it's strong and like, you know, all that extra stuff like it should be. And so anyways, I just recently, about like a week and a half ago, got a flat iron, as you all seen. And I got a little cut. You know, I had to cut some hair off because ends were really bad. It's just like, I don't know what I'm doing. It's just like the first time around when I first went natural, it's like I was so good at like taking care of my hair, and it's just like these last two times it's just been really difficult because it's like I'm always on the move, and it's just like I haven't really been, you know, caring for my hair like I should, like I'm supposed to. And it's like, it's been really like it's noticeable that I haven't, because with the like dead ends and all that other stuff, that shouldn't have happened in the first place if I was caring for my hair properly. So I wouldn't have had to like cut all that off if I would have been caring for my hair properly. It's just like I need to get back on it, like seriously, in all seriousness I need to. But right now I'm about to do like a protein treatment. Okay, but anyways, y'all, I'm about to go show y'all the ingredients that I use, and yeah, next clip. The olive oil, mayo. I got this from Walmart, so it's nothing too pricey. And in here I have some avocados. Mayo, so I'm gonna just squeeze a good bit in there, and I'm gonna mix that together. Okay, so now I'm about to put this in my hair. And make sure, okay, I'm gonna just rub that all in there. I'm gonna let it sit for 30 minutes. I'm about to put a clear cap on. But I gotta clean this mess up off my sink and wipe this off. But yeah, I'll be back in 30 minutes. So I'm out the shower right now, and like, okay, so remember when I told y'all that I had just recently got a flat iron? So like my curls, like before when I had washed my hair, my curls were not like this at all. Like they were just like kind of like hanging, and I was like, wait a minute, like what's going on, like, you know. And like after I just did this avocado and mayonnaise mask like on my hair is extremely soft, y'all. Like it is so soft. But this DIY avocado and mayo mask, I would say I give it a thumbs up. It's really good. To say it was like something to try. But yeah, you guys, that is all for this video, and don't forget to subscribe, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, basically that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.
me too. Girl, you addicted and I need you. She say, bam.